What's good everyone, my name is Matt Powell and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro Max and many other accessories. We got a few phone cases to try out, as well as a camera lens protector and a screen protector, plus some different options for charging bricks. So for the past 6 months I've been heavily using the Samsung S23 Ultra. I've really got to enjoy that larger screen size, so I wanted to get the iPhone 15 Pro Max instead of the normal Pro that I tend to usually get. This year's iPhone Pro lineup comes in a natural, a white, a black, and a blue titanium finish. And today we got the blue titanium. This kind of reminds me of the Pacific blue color of the iPhone 12, I think it was. But regardless, this looks super clean. It also looks like the midnight color for the MacBook Air that I unboxed before. Don't forget to check that video out if you haven't already. If we zoom in close here, you can see that the sides are no longer a stainless steel. It's got that titanium finish, which I think looks a little better, to be honest. The shininess of the stainless steel kind of made it look like the phone was two different colors. But anyways, here we see the camera lenses, and they don't really look that different from last year's models. Now let's see what else is in here. Of course we got the phone, and here's that USB-C cable. It's braided too. There's no power brick, but I'll show you some options in a bit. And here we got some little paperwork here. Alright, so right away, I can already feel how much less the edges dig into your skin while you hold it. The softer and rounder edges, and just the overall lighter weight of the phone, really doesn't make me feel like I'm holding the Pro Max in my hand. The phone is just simply more comfortable to hold. Well, there goes an issue I already see. Will this be another fingerprint magnet? I'm hoping this won't be like the Midnight MacBook Airs. But actually, don't worry about that. You're probably going to want to use a case with this phone. By now you've probably seen people have cracked their phones really easily. This is definitely one of the main drawbacks that comes with this phone. But you see, I guess I really don't care because I ended up buying it anyway. Oh, and here's that new action button. But yeah, I highly suggest a case. Now let's do a quick comparison between the 13 Pro, the 15 Pro Max, and the S23 Ultra. First thing we got is the 6.1 inch 13 Pro. I don't know why, but in my mind, I thought the Pro Max would be a lot bigger. The last time I had a larger sized iPhone was back in the 6S Plus era, and just to be thorough, I'll size it up with the S23 Ultra too, which has a 6.8 inch screen. And now, let's take the S23 Ultra and size it up with the 15 Pro Max. And wow, alright, the iPhone's definitely smaller. It's shorter with much rounded corners. Yeah, the S23 Ultra just makes it disappear. Wow, you know, I actually thought I made it disappear. But it really just got stuck to the screen protector that's on the S23 Ultra. While holding these two in my hands, I have to say that the S23 Ultra, even though it's like a little bigger, it does feel more comfortable to hold. I actually kind of forgot how comfortable it was without the case on it. So yeah, even though the iPhone got a little more rounded edge to it compared to the last version of it, it does feel less rounded than the S23 Ultra. So right now I'm putting back the Spigen MagSafe case that I have for the Ultra, and this is what we're going to be seeing later when I add it onto the 15 Pro Max. So stay tuned. But for now, let me show you guys some of the options for charging bricks. Here we got one of Anker's fast chargers, the 100-watt GAN wall charger that's part of their Anker Prime series. This thing comes with two USB-C ports and a USB-A port. The 100 watts that it outputs really just lets you charge anything from your phone to your laptop, and you know you can trust that efficiency from that gallium nitride. Oh, if you really want an even smaller form factor, just buy the 67-watt charger that does the exact same thing. And if you want even more power, just get the 120-watt charger. This is actually the first one to come out, and then I bought the others. I'll pop up the prices for each on Amazon. There are also some coupons you can add ranging from 10 to 25% off. And here's a little size comparison for you guys. And now let's open up some of these other accessories. We've got a decent amount, so let's hop right on into it. We'll be taking a look at a few cases for the phone, as well as the Easy Fit screen protector and camera lens protectors. So first, let's start with the screen protector. You can get the 2-pack of the tempered glass screen protector for just $16.99 on Amazon. If you guys remember, the last time I tried to put on a screen protector for the S23 Ultra, it wasn't the prettiest. Don't worry, we won't have to worry about that this time. This one comes with a nice template. Let's see what we got in here. Here are 2 dust removal stickers, a microfiber cloth, 2 cleaning wipes, an installation guide. Here are the templates, and finally the squeegee. Alright, step 1. Let's wipe the screen off with the cleaning wipe. Since we literally just unboxed the phone, we probably won't need to clean it that much. I'll probably only be using the cleaning wipe, but if you got some extra dust particles, just use the dust removal sticker and maybe the microfiber cloth to help. Next, let's peel off the back sticker. And once your phone's wiped clean, place it right on top of your phone. And this is why the template makes it so much easier for you. You just trust that nothing's gonna slide. And once it's in place, press down on the middle and swipe up and down. Also, double check that the top part is pointing upwards. And once you're done, peel from the bottom. Use your other hand to keep the template in place. Don't be like me and almost f it up here. And for the final reveal, let's see if there are any bubbles. But first, we gotta actually peel off the sticker that's still on the screen. Okay, so far so good. I don't really see anything. I think we did it. Wow, that was pretty much a perfect job. At this point, if you do have some bubbles there, you can use a squeegee to just rub them off. Next up, we got the camera lens protector installation. First thing we see from the box is the installation guide and then 2 of the templates. We also got some dust removal stickers and a little pick with a small microfiber cloth. Alright, step 1. Use the microfiber cloth and wipe your lenses. And if you still got some dust particles, use the sticker to remove them. And now place the template onto the lenses and press down. Make sure you remove the sticker first. Make sure to firmly press downwards so that the lens protectors are properly on. And finally, all you gotta do is remove it. Here I put on the silver ones, but there are also a black titanium version too. But to be honest, I think the silver ones look pretty nice. These sort of pop out at you. The black ones are probably just more subtle. Oh, and if you ever need to, use the pick to remove the lens protectors. Now let's take a look at some of Spigen's cases. Let's start off with the MagSafe one. This is the same one I got for the S23 Ultra. I wasn't sure if I needed the MagSafe version of this case, but I just bought it anyway, just in case. I also want to test out if the MagSafe on the back of the iPhone can go through the non-MagSafe cases. And if it can't, well, then it's a good thing I bought the MagSafe version. And now let me wipe off the phone just in case there are any dust particles on it. And now if I remember correctly, these cases were pretty annoying to put on and off. But you know, all that means is that it won't come off unless you want it to. And there we go. It's got a nice grip to it. So the back has the MagSafe, which is something I really don't like aesthetically, but I'm hoping that the MagSafe will work through these non-MagSafe cases. But yeah, this is the iPhone next to the S23 Ultra with the same similar case. Oh, okay, I see a difference here. The lenses on the S23 Ultra are just perfectly flush with the case. Damn, I really do wish the iPhone case had this, but I guess it's cause the camera bump is there. Alright, well, let's look at the other cases now. So these are both non-MagSafe cases. Let's open up the clear one first. Alright guys, who thinks that the MagSafe on the iPhone is gonna go through this? Alright, so I'm thinking this while I'm recording this, but why would they make a MagSafe version of the case if the MagSafe on the phone would just naturally work through the non-MagSafe cases? There would actually be no point in the MagSafe case. Wow, okay, did I just say MagSafe like 100 times? Let me know in the comments how many times I did it. But anyways, back to the cases. This blue case feels a lot smoother than the clear ones. Choosing this case would probably feel a lot more natural with the phone's natural color. Yeah, the clear case is definitely more grippy, but it's definitely not going to be annoying if you take it in and out of your pockets often. That's more like it. The MagSafe ring is just something I don't really like looking at when I look at my phone. But anyways, why is this sticker so hard and annoying to take off? But yeah, just look how clean this looks without that ring. I'm really hoping that the MagSafe will work. Also, I kinda like the way the rings look with the clear case. The silver really gives it a nice touch. So far, I'm liking this case the best. Let's see it with the MagSafe one. Yeah, I mean, I guess it's better than having the black ring that the S23 has, but I really prefer nothing at all. Alright, let's take the plastic off and see what this looks like. The first thing I notice is that the case is much easier to put on, but it's definitely not coming off unless you want it to. Ooh, yeah, the miscolored blue is just throwing me off right now, but it kinda does feel better in the hand. But if I had to pick one, I think I'm still gonna go with the clear case without the MagSafe. But for some reason, I still have my doubts on whether the MagSafe is gonna work through these non-MagSafe cases. We got a MagSafe charger here, let's test it. Alright, kinda works. Definitely wouldn't trust it though. See, it's already kinda the fault.
It's already starting to fall. Let's see, sideways. Yeah, it kind of grips it, but I wouldn't trust it. Stick with the MagSafe case. I'm gonna return this and stick with the one that comes with the MagSafe on it.
So the final verdict is to go with the MagSafe case if you're intending to use the MagSafe charger. But if you want to go for just pure aesthetics, go with the non-MagSafe version of the case. Then you won't see the MagSafe ring that's on it. And here's the final look at what my iPhone 15 Pro Max is going to be looking like. It looks like it's time to say goodbye to my 13 Pro. Until we meet again, guys. Thanks everyone for watching and sticking to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you hit on one of these to keep on watching. Peace.